I'm very pleased that the funding for the new digital signalling has been announced. The T4 will be the first beneficiary of the new upgraded system. I'm proud to say that will mean more services for commuters.
But this is important because it demonstrates our commitment to the existing network to ensure that our customers can expect better, more frequent services into the future.
We have a strong financial management here in New South Wales, so we can make investments like these that make a real difference to people's lives.
It will take some time, but we believe the most important areas to start with are the airport line and the T4 and the Illawarra lines. More trains, more services, that's what it means.
Worked our guts out to be able to make these major investments that don't happen by accident. Before we came to government, a lot had been talked about in the rail network and not enough had been delivered. This is in excess of $800 million over the forward estimates. It's a significant investment, but it also demonstrates not only are we building new railway lines, but we're massively investing in the existing system to upgrade the system, to digitise it, to improve it, to make sure that our existing rail network continues to advance into the future and provide more services.